Hi, this is Ian Zepp again. In this video, we're going to be picking back up on the Salesforce UI side primarily. This does not have very much technical information in it, so if you skipped the last few videos because you didn't want to look at Apex and Visualforce code, then you'll probably be much happier with this particular video. So the big problem that we had previously was not being able to add in product sets. We could look at our opportunities and we could click on the Add Product Sets button, but there wasn't actually anything that existed in Salesforce for us to look at. So what we've done is we've created a new tab. That's very straightforward, so I'll only touch upon that briefly. We went to our Create and Tab section and we added in a new tab called Products Sets. Now I gave it a box. You know, if you're stepping through this and following along, you can give it whatever you want. It's a standard tab. We didn't do a Visualforce tab. We just did the standard Salesforce tab. It shows me my my recent product sets. Now in this case, I only have one. I have a common generators package. Let's walk through actually creating a new product set. So I click the button and I have to give it a name. I'm going to call this one a demo set. Now I can, if I want to, associate it with a campaign. In this case, I'll just choose one of the campaigns that came with the development environment here, and I'll give it a region. I don't have to give it a campaign or a region, but later on the region field is going to demonstrate how we can use the filter criteria box on our opportunity Visualforce page that I showed earlier to filter on the region values. So we're going to save that. And it takes us to the detail page for a product set. And we don't currently have any items. So let's add in an item. Adding in an item is as simple as picking the product you want it to be associated with. Now I'm going to choose 2 generators and an installation fee. So we will have a propane generator, 2 of them at no discount. And then, if I go back to my product set, we're going to create, or link in, I should say, a 10 kilowatt diesel generator. We're going to actually give that a 15% discount. And then finally, we're going to set it, add in our installation fee. Now one of the things that you'll notice is that there are no prices associated with these product linkages. And that's because we're not associating to a price book. Now prices for products are stored on price books. That will not come into play until we've actually copied this onto an opportunity. And what that means is it gives us all the flexibility that we would expect from defining a group of products to be sold in one location, but then having the prices pulled in specific to the price book that's on the opportunity. If you have different pricing by region or different pricing by country, you can just use this to pull in all of the products, and then the prices are automatically determined. Now we will have discounts that come into play, and so one of the things that you'll see later on is actually determining what the list price for a product should be and then applying a discount to it. That'll also come into play with the quantity, because we need to be able to assign how many of these products should be copied over onto the opportunity. That largely concludes this demo. This was very straightforward configuration. There was a little bit of related list definition work. So for example, on this related list here, I had to edit the layout and then add in some of the additional columns. But that's very straightforward. That's it.